What is this ARPANET? Advanced Research Project Network Agencies. Topologies. Yen sir, different network topologies andre topology in the sense arrangement. Easy to connect a computer or a peripheral to a linear bus. So it can be hub, it can be connector, or it can be switch. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to the third session on networking concepts. What is that we have discussed in the session 1 and session 2? Before starting this session, let's have a quick recap. So what is that we have discussed? Can you all recollect? Hope all of you have seen my previous videos. What is that we have discussed? So let's start with the first topic. What is that we discussed? So guys, so first we started with what is network. So what is network? Network is a combination or interconnection between different autonomous computers. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, autonomous computers ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Connection between autonomous computers na we call it as a network. Then after that we started discussing something called ARPA. We started something called ARPANET. What is this ARPANET? Advanced Research Project Network Agencies. So this was the first network that we had, which was designed and developed by US Defense Army. So this was the first network that we had. So fine. Idadmele what is that we discussed? Very important topic. So that is what I will call it as OSI reference model. OSI reference model. Open System Interconnect is what we have discussed in the third concept. After that, we discussed TCP IP and also we discussed interspace. All these topics I have discussed in the first session. So fine. What is that I discussed in the second session? So I discussed a lot of different protocols that we use. Sir, what is protocols? Please remember, protocols in the sense it is a set of rules. Protocols in the sense what? Set of rules. Set of rules ನಾನು ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? Protocols ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. So we discussed something called HTTP. We discussed something called HTTP. We discussed something called FTP and also PPP, and also we discussed SLIP protocol. So all these things we discussed. Along with that, we also discussed what is interspace, what is different types of servers we have, different network that we have. What is that? What is the different types of servers? Types of servers we have discussed in the previous session. What is that? Dedicated and non-dedicated. Dedicated server and non-dedicated server. Along with that, we also discussed types of network. We also discussed what? Types of network. This is what you need to remember, that is LAN, WAN and MAN. So guys, this is what I have discussed in the previous sessions. Let's have a quick recap again. So what is that I started with? I started with network. What is the meaning of network? Autonomous computers na connect madidre one to another, so we form a network. So fine. Adadmele we have ARPA network. That was the first network that we had. What is the next one? We discussed important 7 layers. So ಎಷ್ಟು layer ಇದೆ? 7 layers ಇದೆ. OSI reference model na we have discussed. So that is what you have to remember. Along with that, we discussed something else. So what is that? TCP IP model. TCP IP model is what we have discussed after this OSI reference model. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಸರ್? We have discussed different protocols. ಏನು ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? HTTP, FTP, PPP, SLIP, all these things are the different protocols that we have discussed. Along with that, we have discussed different types of servers. Dedicated server ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್. ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬರೀ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ನಾನ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್. So that is what I will call it as a non-dedicated in short, right? After that, different types of networks. So we have LAN, we have MAN, we have WAN. So this is what we have discussed in the previous sessions. So let's start. What is that I have in today's session for all of you? I have something called types of network. Is it? No. I have the different network topologies. Yen sir, different network topologies andre topology in the sense arrangement. Topology in the sense what? Arrangement. What is the meaning of arrangement? See, if I have network, obviously ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್, ರೈಟಾ? ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? So the way of arranging the computers or the systems or the nodes is what I will call it as a topology. So in which way you are arranging the system is what I will call it as a topology. So we have listed some of the different topologies. So let us understand that one by one with all of you, right? Guys, we have bus topology, we have star topology, we have ring topology, we have mesh topology, and the last one we have hybrid topology. So yen sir andre ishtu tara I can arrange the systems in the network. So what is that? Sir, why are you arranging the systems like this in a different way? Anyway, we have to connect to one to another, right? So one to connect ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? So why should I go with different topologies? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲೂ you have some advantages and disadvantages. You got my point? So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟೊಪೋಲಜಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲೂ you will have some advantages and disadvantages. Why should I have advantages and disadvantages? So using this advantages and disadvantages based on the scenario, based on the situation, what you are using. So ನೀವು ಆ ಟೊಪೊಲಜಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಗೆ, ಆ ಟೊಪೊಲಜಿನ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. My dear boys and girls, you need to understand one concept. Whenever you are listening to my class, don't just listen for the sake of marks. Please understand the topic. So you need to understand, why should I have topology? Of course, this is very important question for 5 marks, but understanding the concept of topology is very important, right? Let me discuss this topologies in detail for all of you. Let's start with the first one, that is bus topology, or I will also call it as linear topology. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದು? ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಸರ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಟೊಪೊಲಜಿನ ನಿಮಗೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ವಯರ್, ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ವಯರ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಸರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ? ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ, if I have the system, I will call it as a node. If I have the workstation, I will call it as a node. So ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ I have one wire, I will connect it to that wire. So if you are connecting the system to the single wire, okay, so this forms, this way of arranging the systems is what I will call it as a bus topology. Point number 1. Point number 2, suppose if this wire is not working properly, then the entire network is gone. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? ಈ ವಯರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವಯರ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಾನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ that you need to understand with this topology. Point number 3, this is not there in the textbook, please listen to me carefully. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ if I use this bus topology? Suppose this system wants to communicate this with this system. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ in that case what happens, this system sends the message to this line. So this wire, whatever I have, so it will broadcast the message to all the systems, those who are in the network. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ವಯರ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ವಯರ್ ಬರೀ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಈ ವಯರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದು? ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್? ನಿಮಗೇನು ಅದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? Listen to me carefully. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ all of you are sitting, 60 students are there, right? Suppose if I call somebody and if I start scolding him, that is a mistake that I am doing, right? Yes or no? So I should call him and I should scold him outside, right? Because all other people are hearing that unwanted words. Yes or no? So whatever I am speaking, so that words are reaching everybody. That message is reaching everybody. So it is an irritation, though they are not relevant to the scolding. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, but still it is reaching everybody. That is an unwanted message for them. So how do I avoid that? So that is one of the drawback if I use this topology. What is that? Imagine, so if this system wants to communicate this, so again the same thing will happen. Whatever the message is sent by this, it will reach everybody. Same thing will happen with this. Same thing will happen with this. Everybody will get everybody's message. Imagine you are inside the seminar hall, everybody started speaking. So everybody is listening everybody's voice. So will it be feasible? ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತು? So you will understand anything? No, same thing will happen here. Unwantedly, you are keeping all the systems busy by sending the packets which is not relevant to you. That is what you need to understand. Careful ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ, right? So this is one of the drawback that I have if I use bus topology. Fine. So that is what they have given here. Let's check one by one. What is that? I have to remember one more thing. So whatever the wire that I am using, the single wire, so both the ends should have the terminator. Both the ends should have the terminator. Please observe this. ಎರಡು ಎಂಡಲ್ಲೂ we will be using the terminator. That is the first point that you should understand. What is the second point that I have? All the nodes are connected to the linear cable. This is what I will call it as a linear cable. Madidali, whatever the cable that I am using, so that is what I will call it as a linear cable. Ella system of those who are in the network, all the systems are connected to this linear cable is what you need to understand. Aita? So what is the next point that I have? Sorry, this point. In the bus network topology, every workstations are connected to the main cable. That is called bus. Both are same. This and this are same, right? So the next point that I have, therefore, in effect, each workstation is directly connected to every other workstation in the network. That is what they say. So all the systems are connected to this linear cable, that is bus. So if all the systems are connected to this bus, then everybody is connected to the network is what they say. Hi sir, ಏನು advantage, ಏನು disadvantage ಇದ್ರದು? So let's check in detail. So guys, I have some of the advantages. Quick ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. So easy to connect a computer or a peripheral to a linear bus. ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೈರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ವೈರ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್ಕಸ್. That is what you have to remember. The next one is requires a less cable than the star topology. Idanna martubidi sir. Idanna martubidi ಈಗ don't worry about the star topology as of now. But if I am using the bus topology, ನನಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಬೇಡ. I don't require more length of cable because I'm just using one linear cable. So that is what you have to keep it in your mind. This is the only advantage that I have. So please remember, this is very, very important. Whenever you are writing the advantage with respect to bus topology, never forget this point. That is very, very important. Then I have, what is the next disadvantage that I have? Please observe, I have listed some of the disadvantage of bus topology for all of you. Right? What is the next one I have? Entire network shutdowns. Right? ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, suppose if the wire is not working, somewhere if there is a damage, if the wire is not proper, then the entire network is gone. So that is what the main disadvantage that we have when it comes to bus topology. The next one that I have is terminators are required at both ends of the backbone cable. That is one of the disadvantage again. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ನನಗೆ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. So that is one of the disadvantage is what they have mentioned. So next one, difficult to identify the problem in the entire network if it shutdowns. ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಬಗ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್. That is a major problem that we are facing in this network. Okay, so that next point that I have is, please observe, not meant to be used as a standalone solution in the large building. I'm not supposed to use it in the large building. It is not feasible to use it. So this is one of the disadvantage. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ you have to remember broadcast. If you send a message, it will reach everybody. So that is one of the major drawback that you will have in the bus topology. So moving on to the next topology that I have. So hope you understood, right? Bus topology in the sense, you have to write the diagram. So what is that I have to write? So if in the exam, you have to write this diagram. Along with this diagram, how exactly the bus topology is organized, then advantages and disadvantages. Erade point. Okay, if you write, so that is more than enough. Diagram, so what exactly bus topology, 2 advantages, 2 disadvantages. Remember these points, it is very important because you will be asked to write all the topologies, right? So let's start star topology. Sir, ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಟೋಪೋಲಜಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರ ಸ್ಟಾರು? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್? ಎಸ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಏನದು? ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಹಬ್. I can call it as hub anta ankoona. Hub which will help me to connect all the nodes. What is that? I have one hub. So all the systems are connected to this hub. All the systems are connected to this hub. Sir, star topology andre star tarane idbeka ನನ್ನ systems? No, it is not required. But concept na ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್? No, you should have the hub. That's it. ಆ ಹಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸು ಆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ನನಗೊಂದು ಹಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್. ಹಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್, ಹಬ್ ಹೇಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So as of now, you just have to understand hub is a network device. ಆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ that I will have in the network, I will connect all the network devices to that hub. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So fine. Connect ಆಗಿದೆ. So I have connected everything. So that topology is what I will call it as a star topology. So what is the drawback here? What is the main thing that you need to observe here? Suppose if this hub is not working, the entire network is gone. You cannot communicate, you cannot use this network. That is a major drawback that you have if you are using the star topology. Fine. Adaitu bere dinenide sir? If this system or this node wants to communicate with this node, so the message should comes from this side only. First it has to come to the hub. From hub, it should reach the other device. This is how the communication is happening in the star topology. Comparatively, you will be using less cable to establish or to form this topology also. But bus topology li idikinta kadame cable na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Bus topology ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನ ನಾವು ಈ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, so we will be using it. That is what you need to understand. Right? So let's check what are the advantages and disadvantages you have. Again, you have to write the same diagram whenever you are asked to write the star topology. Advantages, please observe, easy to install and wire. So it's very easy. So I don't have to make it very complex. Nange ashtondu tough agudilla when I want to form the star topology. So the next one is no disruption to the network when connecting or removing the devices. ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಡಿವೈಸ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ which I have in the network is what you need to understand. What is the next point that you have? Easy to detect the faults. Easy to detect the faults, which I did not had in the previous network. Bus topology, it was not so easy for me to detect the faults. But star topology use madre, that is very easy for me. So that is what you have to remember, right? So what is the next disadvantage that I have? Please understand, requires more cable length than linear topology. Linear topology nalli kadme wire use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ because only one wire linear cable, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ. So that is what you need to understand. If the hub or a switch or a connector, ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದು hub switch connector ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So what is that? So ಈ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, so it can be hub, it can be connector or it can be switch. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Please observe that my point is not yet completed. What is that I have here? If that node attached are disabled, then the entire network is gone. ಯಾವ ಡಿವೈಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ, so you are communicating through that device. If the device is not working, then the entire network is gone. That is the major drawback if you are using the star topology. Next point, more expensive than bus topology because of the cost of the hub, etc. Previous topology ನೀವು observe ಮಾಡಿರಬಹುದು, we are just using the cable, but we are using the device, network device. It can be hub, it can be a connector, it can be a switch. So that cost extra than the previous topology. That is what you need to remember when it comes to star topology. ನಾನು ಬಸ್ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೇಬಲ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ little extra cost. That is what you have to remember, right? So moving on to the next topology, that is ring topology. What is this ring topology, sir? Ring usually ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ರಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಂಗ್. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಆ ರಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. What is the speciality of this ring topology? Please observe the diagram. I have the system here. I have the system here. I have the system here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರಿಂಗ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಒನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, it is forming the ring structure. Okay, but you need to understand one point here. If I want to communicate from this system to this system, imagine the communication is happening in this direction. Unidirectional communication. One directionally ಮಾತ್ರ communication ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂನಿಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್, ಬೈಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್? ಯೂನಿಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯೂನಿಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್? ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್. I have to pass through this. Suppose if this system is not working, then I will not be able to communicate with this system. That is the major drawback that I have if I am using this ring topology. That is the first point that you should remember, right? So let's start. Let us understand what are the points that I have. So in a ring topology, all the computers are connected via a cable that loops in a ring or a circle. ಕೇಬಲ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಲೂಪ್. ಲೂಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಸೇಮ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ as a loop. Fine, the first point is done. What is the second point that I have? A ring topology is a circle that has no start and no end. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಂಡು? ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ end in the ring topology. The second point is what it says. There is no start and no end. You cannot say that illinda start agide, ill end agide. No. That is one more point you should remember. So each node connected to two neighbor computers. E computer ide. So idu idukku connect agide, idu idukku connect agide. So two neighbor computers. This is what I will call it as a node. Node anta karitini. So each node is connected to two neighbor computers. Yav topology? Ring topology. The next point that I have, data accepted from one node transmitted to another node. So illinda bandiro data illi transmit agate. So node indane adu pass agbeku. Suppose illinda baro data illige hogbeku, so illinda barbeku. Suppose if this node is not active, then gone. I cannot communicate. I cannot send my data. That is what you have to remember. Next, the data travels in one direction. Observe this, very, very important. Data travels in one direction from node to node around the ring. ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ with respect to the ring topology is signal amplified at each node before being passed. ಏನು ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ I have the data, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋವರೆಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್, ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್, ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೀಗೇನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. Okay, again you will run till here, again you will get the glucose and you will get energized, again you will run till here, again glucose, energized. Same thing when the signal transmits from one node to another node, the strength of the signal will be increased, which will be boosted in each and every node, is what you need to understand. Got my point? This is how the ring topology is working. Moving on to the advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. ಏನಿದೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜು? ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೇಬಲ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ನೋ ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ರೈಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್? ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್. ಈ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿನ ನಾನು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ cabling that I can use is optical fibers. So what is the next one that I have? Each client has equal access to the complete resource that I have in the network. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ equal rights to access the resource in the network. Network ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ to access that printer. So that is what you need to understand. That is one of the advantage. Disadvantage ಏನಿದೆ? Node failure causes the network failure. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಡಮಾರ್. That is what you need to understand, right? So difficult to diagnose the fault. It's very, very difficult where exactly the problem is. So that is one of the major drawback that you have when it comes to ring topology. Right? So network reconfiguration is very difficult. Matte if you want to reconfigure the network, so it's very difficult is what you need to understand. So moving on to the next topology that I have. So the next topology that I have is tree topology. Tree topology is a combination of two topologies. One is bus topology as well as the star topology. Enanta helde? So tree topology is a combination of two different topology. The first one is bus topology. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಬಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್? ಯಾವ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ ಇದು? ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಒನ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಬಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ is formed. That is what you need to understand. You're getting my point? Right. So that is the first point that you need to remember. What is the second point? It consists of group of star configured workstations connected to the linear backbone. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ star configured network, so all those things are connected to the linear backbone. Linear bus is what you need to understand. That is the second point that we have. The tree network topology, what we have, uses two or more star networks connected together. ಈ ಟ್ರೀ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಮೂರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that's what you need to observe and you have to make a note of it, right? So the central computer of star networks connected to the main bus. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ? So this is what I will call it as a connector. So E connector ge, so I have connected all these devices. So this connector is connected to this bus is what they wanted to mention in this point, right? So got this idea, right? So ಏನಿದ್ರೆ the advantages, what are the advantages and disadvantages? Please observe. Point to point wiring of individual segments. Point to point wiring of individual segments, that is one of the advantage. Second one, it supports several hardware and software vendors. ಈ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ that we have. There is no constraints that you have to use this kind of hardware or this kind of softwares. You can use multiple vendors in the same network, right? So multiple vendors device you can use it in the same network. Network can be easily extended. You don't have to worry. If you want to add more devices to the network, you can easily extend the network if you are using the tree topology, right? So the next disadvantage, what is the disadvantage? Please observe, uses large lengthy cables. Tree topology nalli ಜಾಸ್ತಿ length na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ cables. So that is one of the drawback that I have. If the backbone line breaks, damar, entire network is gone. That we have the same problem in the bus topology, no alva? So if the main cable gone, entire network is gone. That is what you need to understand, right? So the next one, more difficult to configure and wire than any other network. Bare network it's very difficult to configure. That is one of the important drawback that you need to understand, right? The next one that I have is mesh topology. Very beautiful topology. Mesh andre mesh. Yen sir mesh andre mesh? Everything is meshed. Please observe, the concept of this topology is very important. Yen sir idu mesh topology? Idon system iruttallva sir, ee system inda ee system one line, ee system inda ee system one line, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈನು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೂ 1 2 3 4 5 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ 5 ಕೇಬಲ್ಸು, ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ. ಸೊ 5 ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 25 ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಬಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 25 ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಒನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಒನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಂದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 100 ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ 100 ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್, 100 ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅದರ್ 99 ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲೂ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Just imagine the amount of cables that we are involving in this topology. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೂ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is what you need to understand. in this topology. Let's check what exactly that I have. This topology, each node is connected to two or more than two nodes. ಒಂದು ನೋಡು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೂ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಗೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಗೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The second point, it is a point-to-point connection to other nodes. Point-to-point ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಂದ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, point-to-point direct connection. That is the second point that they say. What is the third point? So traffic is carried only between two device nodes. ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೇಟಾ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಬರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೇಟಾ ಬರೀ ಈ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ cables or the network. That is what you need to understand. So the topology is robust, provides security and privacy. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೈನು, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೇಬಲು? ಮೇನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಇದು. ಈ ಟೊಪಾಲಜಿ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರೋಬೋಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್. Whenever you are sending any confidential information, so you will be using this kind of topology. It's suitable to use this kind of topology whenever you are sending any crucial confidential data. It is very robust. You cannot hack, or I cannot say that you cannot hack, but the data security level is literally high when it compares to all other topologies that we have. That is what you have to understand, right? So next one I have, overall cost of the network is too high. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ನಂಬ್ತಾರೆ? Yes or no? Right? The cost is literally high because you are using a lot of cable in this topology. That is one more point that you should remember. The next one that I have is the mesh topology is commonly used in large internetworking environment with star, ring and bus attached to each node. This is one of the points that you should remember. Right? So moving on to the next concept, that is very important point that you should remember. Thank you. You should thank me because I will thank you for watching the complete session which I have discussed about different topologies. So guys, if you have liked it, if you have understood the topic, please share, please like the video. Till then, I will see you in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.